Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today I have got 6 tricks that will seriously impress any developer. From elegant one-liners to clever built-in features. These are not just cool, they are actually make your code cleaner, faster and smarter. So let's start this. So the first one is swap variables without a temporary variable. Okay, so we'll see a simple example of this, that how to swap a variable without a temporary variable. So here a, b is equals to 10 and 20. This assigns 10 to a and 20 to b. Then ab is equals to ba. This swaps the value in a single line, no temporary variable needed. And then it prints the value. So now we'll see the output of this. See, as we can see, it swapped the variable. And now we'll move on to the second one. So the second one is combine list with zip function. Okay, so for this, firstly we'll create a list, and similarly we'll create another list. So zip function pairs element positionally, and the loop unpacks each pair as name and score, so you get clean readable output. For this we can see there is no messy indexing, so hence it keeps it easy. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see it combined the string using zip function. And now we'll move on to the third one, which is use list comprehension. Okay, so let's see how to use list comprehensions. So here the comprehension means for every x from 0 to 4 you have to square it. It replaces multiple lines of loops with just one clean expression. So now we'll see the output of this. What output does this gives? So as we can see, the output is the square from 0 to 4. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one, which is unpack in loops. Okay, so here Python lets you unpack tuples directly inside a loop. No need for pair or pair indexing, and this makes code neater and easier to read and understand. So let's see what output does it gives. So here we can see a very clean output with very small lines of code. And now we'll see the next one, which is get unique elements instantly. So here the set function removes duplicates automatically. You get unique elements in just one line, which is perfect for quick data cleanup. So let's see the output of this. So as we can see, it just removed the repeated elements and it just printed the unique elements from the set. And now we'll move on to the next one, which is to use f-string for formatting. Okay, so we'll understand this also. So the f-string lets you insert variables directly inside the strings. It's cleaner and faster than old style percentage or format function. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this, and that's it. These were the 6 Python tricks that can make your code cleaner, shorter and more Pythonic. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you learned something new. And thanks for watching today's video.